welcome back to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. In today's recipe, I'm just simply going to show you how to make assorted cow meat stew. I'm just going to show you all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe right away. Keep watching. I combined red bell peppers, a lot of tomatoes and peppers to blend. So I have this tomato meat. I have here the assorted meat. I'm using different parts of cow meat, tripe, intestine, liver and the heart. So I have here the meat broth. I'm using peanut oil, salt, 3 stock cubes, 2 cloves of garlic, ground nutmeg, curry powder, thyme and a lot of onions. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'm not going to use more than this. You can use your preferred ingredients for this recipe if you want that. Without much waste of time, I'm going to place the pot on it. Then bring the peanut oil into it. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to bring the meat into it and fry it. I don't like the meat with a lot of moisture in the stew, so I decided to fry it up. For just few minutes. I'm not going to fry this for too long. I'm going to take the meat out of the oil once I'm satisfied with it. I'll mash the garlic and add to it. Add the chopped onions as well and stir fry. I love a lot of onions in my stew. I'm just going to fry this for a few seconds. You just make sure you boil your tomatoes before adding it to it. I boiled and blend the tomatoes. There's no need to cook the tomatoes anymore, so I'll just fry it at once. Leave this to fry for some time, maybe at least 10 minutes. To prevent this from splashing everywhere, I'm just going to place the lid over it halfway. While you wait for this to get fried, make sure you stir this intermittently so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Now it's time to season this. To it, I'll be adding it. I have a teaspoon of curry powder, have a teaspoon of thyme, ground nutmeg, have a teaspoon, 3 stock cubes, a sprinkle of salt to taste. I'm doing this on a very low heat so to prevent this from splashing into my eyes. So right here I'll be adding in the meat broth. Add some broth to it to reduce the thickness. This is just the way I want the stew to look like. It's not too thick and it's not watery at the same time. And don't forget to add more ingredients, especially what you like, to your stew. So I'll be covering this for a while to simmer. Now we are going to return the assorted meat into the stew. This is just the right time to add the assorted meat and then allow it to absorb the stew as well. Now you can come back to the stew, stir it properly, test for salt and other seasoning. If that's needed, you can adjust. Once you've done that, I'm happy with the taste of your stew. Your assorted cow meat stew is ready. Be sure to rinse the cover of your pot before you bring it in finally. There are different ways to enjoy your assorted cow meat stew. You can serve this with spaghetti, with boiled rice, with yam, with potatoes or whatever. I just love to enjoy mine with boiled yam, so I have some boiled yam here. I hope you try this recipe out. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, leave your comments and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.